Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute at-home exercise. No equipment needed, no excuses. Follow along at your own pace. Modify these exercises where needed, and let's go get stronger together. First, I want to make sure you guys at least do 30 minutes of stretching before attempting these exercises in the video. Now let's go. Put your feet shoulder width apart, chest up. Then you're going to squat down and drive through your heels. You've got this, keep it up. Halfway there, let's go guys. Okay, we've got 10 seconds left. Let's finish strong. Hands under shoulders, keep your core tight. You can put your knees down if you need to. And now control every rep. Stay with me, guys. Keep pushing, guys. 10 seconds left. You're stronger than you think. Let's go. With this exercise, you're gonna lift and squeeze. Train that low back. Tighten those glutes. Slow and controlled. Excellent work. You can also do this exercise by using a bench like this. We're almost there. 10 more seconds. This exercise is going to be eccentric leg raises. You're going to tuck your legs, lift your legs up, and then slowly lower them down. Keep your abs tight, and then lower your legs slowly and controlled. And then avoid the concentric contraction by tucking your knees, then extending, and then lowering slowly, so that you only hit that eccentric. This is great for beginners to learn this action. Stay focused, everyone. We have less than 10 seconds left. Do 20 seconds on each side. Lift with control and feel it in the hips working. Stay balanced by doing this exercise on both sides. Keep moving. Let's go. Ten seconds left. Don't give up. Keep your hips high and then squeeze those glutes. Try and stay stable. Then alternate your legs. Great job. Keep it up. Only 10 seconds to go. For this exercise, try to keep your arms overhead your legs straight and then hold strong. This is a gymnast core strength exercise. Relax for 5 seconds and then get yourself back in there. You can do these hard things. Come on, let's go. You're gonna lay back down, touch those heels, and do small crunches. Keep the tension on the abs and keep a nice rhythm. You've got this. Keep it up, keep it up. You've got this. Okay, 10 more seconds. Come on, finish strong. For this exercise, we're gonna step back, drop down slow, and then stand tall. We're gonna try and do 20 seconds on each side to stay balanced. Let's get those legs strong. Come on, you've got this. We're halfway there. Don't give up now. Let's go. Ten more seconds to go. Come on. Keep your hands planted and drive those knees forward. Go at your own pace, but stay moving. Let's go. We're almost done with the exercise. We're halfway through the mountain climbers. Come on, let's go. Climb that mountain. Okay, let's finish hard and pick up the pace. Go faster. Go, go, go. You've made it through the workout. Now is the final finisher. 1 minute plank. Keep your core tight, those shoulders strong, and then focus on your breathing. You're all doing such an amazing job. Keep it up. Okay, everyone, we're halfway there. Don't quit now. You didn't come this far to quit. Ten seconds left. You've got this. Three, two, 1. We're just going to cool down now. Take the next minute and just move around. Walk it out and catch your breath. Let your heart rate come down. Big deep breaths in and out. You showed up today and that's what matters. You finished the workout and I'm so proud of you. Every time you do this, you're getting stronger and stronger. Some days motivation is hard, but today you did it. Keep moving and keep believing in yourself, because I believe. All right, great job, everybody. We are done with the workout today. We're just gonna take deep breaths in and deep breaths out to help us cool down. So, all right, everybody, you did a great job today. Y'all crushed it. I am trying to monetize, so please help me get to 1,000 subscribers and watch all my videos and help support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing with all your friends. I'll see you all in the next one, and I really appreciate all y'all's support. Take care.